chosen a spot close to the main trunk line. I'm going to put my template up. Try to keep it pretty much in line with the duct. Alright. Now, using my right angle drill, drill the holes.
That hole is a 3/16 inch.
Okay. Now we're going to move over. We're going to cut out the rectangle. Safety glasses. Okay. You can remove this. Now you'll want to file. These edges can be a little rough inside. Check. Yeah, we could use a little more. Okay, that feels good. You just don't want it rubbing on your rubber as it turns inside the duct. Now,
Don't drop your...
I've preset the screws inside so that it's ready to go up. We're going to peel as much of this as we can off.
Don't drop your files because they are a very brittle metal.
Okay.
And they could break on you.
Alright, now we're going to put it in. Also, forgot, almost, you need to peel off this back in here. We have some adhesive foam that will seal up to your duct. So when you first go up, just try to find a couple of the screws, get them finger tight in the holes. And we're going to come back down. I've switched from the drill bit over to a 5/16 driver. There we go. All that's necessary now is to connect our 3 wires with the small screwdriver that we showed you in the tools necessary video before. It's sealed to the duct. I just need to connect all this to the control panel now, and we're done. It's pretty quick. So,
As we run the wires, make sure you are consistent with your colors. For the dampers, you have positions M1, M4, and M6. You will use the same notations on the control panel. So we're daisy chaining the wires together back to the control panel, and so it jumps from one damper to the next. They're all on the same zone, so you want to be consistent with the coloring. Top wire goes to the M1 position, the middle wire to the M4 position, and the bottom wire to the M6 position. Now Bobby's connected 2 of the wires in there, and then he has 2 more sets of 2 to get in there, and that will then complete that part of the daisy chain so that the dampers work in unison. If you get the wires or you reverse anything, you'll end up with open dampers when you expect closed, or closed dampers when you expect open. So you want to be very consistent with that color coding that you use. Use it throughout your system. Give a slight tug on each pair to make sure that they're all in there.
okay. Now the first one started with just 1 over there. This is the second one in line on the way back to the control board. So from here on, I'll be running 2 wires into each. I've done white into the common, and then the M4 is green and M6 is red. I've checked them all, they're secure, so now I can move on to the next one and eventually end up back at the control panel.